Welcome to a tutorial video on learning Bootstrap. In this video I'm going to talk about installing and using the Bootstrap library. So you can find Bootstrap by Googling or going to getbootstrap.com. As you can see here, Bootstrap is a responsive mobile-first front-end component library. It's primarily used as part of its CSS development and to develop websites quickly, but it also works really well with JavaScript and embedding jQuery to do more advanced functionality. I want to highlight something right here in the middle. Right here, Bootstrap CDN, Content Delivery Network. This is what I'm going to use to embed Bootstrap within my page, so we can very quickly develop something and talk about how we can install it. So you'll notice here over on the side it says installation. We could do it through that route of using npm if we wanted to use the Node Package Manager. But we're going to use this right here in the middle, Bootstrap CDN. So I'm going to move over to a repo here. I've already created this example that can be used and cloned to play around with how we can learn to use Bootstrap. As you can see here, I've copied the exact code found over here. It said for CSS, copy this. I've copied that. And down here at the bottom, it says placed at the end of the document, and it lists script tags, and I have copied those exactly into here. So our main requirements for installing Bootstrap, if we want to think about it within that metaphor, is that we can download it from the website, we can use npm or other package managers, or we can do what I've done here, and we can use the Content Delivery Network or the CDN version. And I've done that for both the style sheet and the script part down here at the bottom for jQuery, Popper, and the Bootstrap JavaScript library. And so let's run this to see the example. Well, it's not terribly exciting, but now we're running Bootstrap. So let's review everything here. Coming back over to the Bootstrap website, you can see I've gone to getbootstrap.com. And I could, if I wanted to, download it. I see the download button right here, or right here we're using in the middle the CDN Content Delivery Network version. We need to copy and paste the CSS style sheet it provides using link, as well as script tags that also link out to the JavaScript, Popular, and jQuery libraries that help it. When we include those in our page, including the style sheet within the head and the script tags at the bottom of the body, we can then use Bootstrap. And we can see here I have a single H1 header, and when I run, we see that right here in example. Thanks for watching.